Hello everyone, I am Max and now I'm making a video of this beautiful bike. This is my wife's bike. Is the Antlers, Blacknsow Antlers Wonder Woman, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, we talk about the specs of this bike. It have this steel basket in the front. Can keep this bag. This bag is a wheel rocker bag, and it have attachment for the bicycle. As you can see, it's nice. It's waterproof. We have this. Okay, this. Okay, is my wife's stuff. So okay, that's it. We have the R shift. The R over there. 10 speed, 11 to 46. We have EIXXF crankset with the ring of snail, 36 teeth. Okay. Here we have the special rack for the seat post, for the saddle. Keep this bag fit perfectly, and you can extend this bag with two small lateral bags if you open the zip. Rocket bros, saddle, uno seat post. I think this is also uno, okay, uno handlebar with this uno extender arm. I will change the stem soon. Double multifunction Meroca bottle case. Yeah, the light is interesting also. Quick release light, very nice. Have a different function, and it fits also the color of the bicycle. It's very powerful also, and have a SOS, strobo, and also different power of the light. In the back we have this light, also have the same function, strobo, fixed light, different strobo things. The brakes is Shimano too, is the basic Shimano brakes, but they work well. What I can say, the pedal is also good. The grips here is nice, you see, and also we have a mirror for see backwards. That's it, man. So Innova Pro cross tires and Meroca wheels. And for this I have finished. So remember to subscribe, like the channel, share, comments, and check the playlist, because you will find something interesting for sure for you. I'm sure about that. Thank you very much and goodbye.